Um, all right. 2 seconds. Let me do something real quick.
Wow. We're almost open here. I didn't realize what time it was.
Yeah. Um,
Showtime.
oh, yeah, it's quite there. Quite literally at the open.
See what it does.
See what it do.
Maybe a little pull back here. We'll see.
Yeah,
Let's see.
I've been challenged with the bias this morning.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's going to be a lot. It's
Consider
going to be another one of those chop days or range days. We'll see.
top range. I don't know. Uh, we got fooled by that a couple times last week. Earlier this week too.
Yeah, there's the sell
But
off. Yeah,
considering, let's go into this assumption. Assuming our levels are good, which they are, um, then we gotta just go based on the levels today. The like I said, the upper level I have here, if that acts like resistance today, that's gonna point me toward starting to sell.
selling.
Yeah, because I mean, for all intents and purposes, we're neutral and sitting
Yeah,
dead
no, we're
slap in the
we're
middle.
definitely neutral. Yeah, we're definitely neutral. Yeah, that's why I said this could either be a rangy day like yesterday, where we just buy and
Well,
sell tops and bottoms, or it breaks and goes. Either way,
so
at this point.
that's what I was looking at. I think I don't know if you saw me when we were on break. I was looking at these days we had that started neutral recently, and
Looks like they broke down, doesn't it?
yeah, they would find it would find its direction later in the morning. uh, this was where was it? Yeah, here we started a little bit neutral after a push up. So I think it was just be a little patient. It could be 9:45 news. I don't know. I may not do a
That's true
lot.
too. Could
May
wait,
not.
and maybe after 9:45 we get some direction.
Yeah, because I'm not gonna get committed to a direction just yet. If I get a good setup, I'll take a trade. I just don't want to be committed to a direction that I'm not 100% on board with. That's what I'm saying. So I don't know if I can get on board with a direction. Now, what I will say is, if the ES keeps eking up here, that will get me in on board with the direction pretty quick. But
Hold above the pivot. I mean, right
but I
now we're
have to
just effectively dancing around the pivot, so we're not doing anything.
I have to see the ES stay above 65, 71.65 before I get really happy about trying to buy that thing.
Oh, that's way up there.
10 points, not that far.
Yeah, 58, 50 is above that. Also would be, but yeah, 65 is safer, definitely, definitely.
Yeah, I mean, well, I mean, it's just that's what the market's already proven to be a strong number, so I'm gonna leave it there. Market's already proven that. So I mean, that's really gonna be my guide. If I'll be a buyer on NQ and ES if the ES can stay above 71.65. But that would mean the NQ is going to new all time highs anyway, so that doesn't really matter. I just have a sneaking suspicion that's not gonna be the case. I feel like I'm talking like Admiral Fudd. Animal food.
Ooh.
All
Possible
right.
short
So
on GMGC. This fails this right here because it's a breakout of that
yeah.
opening range. Yeah.
Oh yeah. You want to try it with 2 micros?
I'm looking at it. Yeah, below that low right there, if it fails, because it would be a failed long also on the big tick. So
Yeah.
maybe a move down to VWAP. That'd be a nice little move down there. That's
All right. You try it and tell me how it works out. I'll watch it.
let me be the guinea pig.
I mean, definitely should have taken that trade yesterday.
Yeah, I tried yesterday. The the 6C was brutal. Missed that one big time. Like NQ wants to break out.
Oh, yeah. It's trying to, huh? I don't. I don't see that being the case.
We're gonna be patient, but it is gonna go. There it goes.
Hi, Paul.
Hey,
Good to hear you guys' voices.
what's going on? Welcome.
Hey, I got surprise visitor. Surprise visitor. The ice cream truck
Surprise
guy brought her.
visitor.
That creepy ice cream truck guy brought her to me.
Surprise visitor. Be very, very quiet. I see you, Wabbit.
Who's that, Dan?
Dan. It's early for you, isn't it?
See a wabbit. Jokesters. You can say hi to everybody. You got Stretch.
Hey,
Tom.
Stretch. Hey, Tom.
That's Carb. Jeff Carbonaro. Scout.
Scout.
Bo.
Bo.
Dan.
Hey, Dan.
Got a few people in here.
No, never too early for jokes, bro. Come on.
What?
Never too early for
No,
jokes.
no such thing as never jokes. Never too early. Uh-oh. That's not what we wanted. There's your long. Boom. There goes the NQ and the ES. You still there, Brian, or we lose you?
Yeah, just give me a few minutes.
Oh, okay. Oh, I wish I'd have took this breakout on the NQ.
Okay. Some kind of breakout there, huh?
Yeah, that's what
It's like a walkout.
I said it was breaking out. I just didn't take it.
Little walkout.
Nice move, though. Oh, 20, 30-point move out of there. Here comes that. Here comes your 65 you were talking about on ES.
Let's see what that does. Oh, it's not giving me a lot of confidence on the longs either, the way this is happening. Yeah, I just I'm still in the same boat I was earlier. I mean, it's already 9:41. Why not wait till 9:45? You know.
Yeah.
And then I'll start getting heavy on something at that time. I'll get ready here.
All right, couple minutes till news. See what happens.
Yeah, I'm gonna get all my accounts that in the right on the right charts that I want in the right places. All right, let's see here. Uh, 6E. No real good trade on 6E right now. Although a little higher, I look for a short. We're getting close to the low of a daily range on 6E, but I still think we can look for a short higher. GC, never got your orb there.
No, it never fell. It never broke. It never broke the
You
bottom
don't want
there.
to take that.
Pulled back up.
But I think
Would have been a decent long.
yeah, I think that's what I was gonna say. I think same thing with GC here. It's got to come back up to somewhere around
The pivot above that.
uh, 47.67. I'd love to see get another opportunity like the one we had yesterday on
Yeah.
6E or but I'd be interested in shorting CL if the markets go up. I should definitely short CL.
Yeah. I mean, you don't really have anything right now, but I don't know that I'd short this right here. Oh, maybe, I don't know. See if it sets up.
Yeah, there's your news.
Ooh, exciting. Manufacturing PMI flash actual 54, forecasted 52.5. So previous 52.3. So it came out. Okay.
Say that again.
I was just reading what the report came in on the flash manufacturing.
Yeah, it did so much.
No, I didn't do anything.
Well, I guess we're buying then, huh?
Looks like it.
Sure do. All right. Marcus ain't gonna hold me down. Never gonna break my stride. That obviously said in like a Jamaican accent or something like that. Oh, I'm just sitting here staring at this, trying to think through what the play needs to be now. It's almost. This is my level. I'm just gonna keep my eye here on this 65 level in the ES. And the same level, they reached the same levels at the same time. So this either turns into a really nice sell signal, and I'll take a shot at the short, or it stays up here and breaks out, and I start layering into the longs. Yes, at the highs. How about that for a plan?
Oh, I like it. It's setting up. It's right off this.
I mean, I'm not committed to anything right now, so if it sets up as a short, I'm gonna take it as a short.
Don't believe it's going to, but it does.
You're
I
never
think this
gonna
is
break
gonna.
my stride.
I think it's going to break your stride.
No, I'll go in on the long side, bro. Come on.
You have to flip it and reverse it.
Well, Missy
You're
Elliott.
going to Missy Elliott that thing.
Missy Elliott this trade.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
All right.
Bye
All
bye.
right.
Man, I wish I took that breakout. I
All
knew it was going
right.
to do that too. Kicking myself.
Never gonna break my stride. Let's see here. What we got on the NQ. It's pretty much done. All right. Let's figure out a way to get in long now. Everywhere we can. I think I'm gonna do.
Start doing some layering. Start building some cakes. Let's go.
I mean, the original thought process would be layered down to where we came from. Maybe a little bit lower. 50. All right. I like this prior swing high from this morning where it's at. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and try to wait for a second, see if it starts to turn back around on the upside. I'm gonna go ahead and put one in. Then again, not getting too heavy right now until we get to pullbacks where it stays up. Get another one back here at 57. Just a little starter kit right here. That's all.
There we go.
Starter kit, and then do another one back at 40, 45. And we'll see where that goes from there.
I'm doing the same. See what it does
And
right
then I'm
here.
gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for another one. If we get a little bit of pullback, which would be nice, I'd be fine with that. On another account, I'm gonna wait. Same ad areas, except for I'm gonna see if I can get a lower fill price than this first one here. Because if this stays up and it turns around here, I mean, I'm putting one on right now, and then I'm gonna add where I gave you my ad spots, and then there you go. There's a little pullback. Oh, go get my limit order there, bro. Come on. Did it set up to be a short signal? That kind of did set up to be a wonky short signal, but give me that. Come on. What did it come down to? It got within like ticks of our entry.
Yeah,
Did you get one on?
I got one on.
I should just
I
add
did.
there.
I just
It came down to 59. We're 2 points off. Yeah, I should just added one too. And the M&Q seems like it should be a buy now too. And then if we do get some decent swings this morning, I'm going to try to get 6 contracts heavy on a couple trades.
come on. This is working out for me. I got
Yeah,
in
no, this is
one.
good.
I got
You
one
got
in
two.
earlier with you. I don't know if you got in up top, but I did, and then I've added
Yeah.
another one down here at the bottom.
Well,
So
I tried to grab my limit order and push it up to it before it moved outside of
I'm
the
gonna go ahead and
area.
I'm gonna take one off here
You
and
should probably do
lock
it.
this in.
I did
Yes, I
two
can't.
two M&Q contracts here.
Oh wait,
I don't see.
ES or MQ? I'm in the ES.
Yeah, I did both. I just tell.
Oh, okay.
I'm
All
just,
right. I didn't do
everybody heard my
MQ.
prices. I'm not like. I
I
just
should
did it.
have, but
I
I
just
didn't.
tried to pull the trigger on this because I knew it looked. ES was moving up. I knew it looked good. So
Yeah, ES is gone. So
yeah.
I I took one off here. I'm gonna just get back down to one contract, and then if it comes back, I'll add another one. Let me move my stop out of the way.
The only thing that really sucks is I can't feel anything in my freaking pinky.
What? You got
Yeah,
numbness from
it's
from
numb
the.
from the nerve stuff.
Dude, that is not good. It.
I can't feel a single thing in my
I
pinky.
certainly hope you didn't do some real damage.
Huh?
I hope you didn't do
No.
any real damage, dude, because that
When I had
the symptoms
last,
you're talking about are not good.
well, hence the extreme pain I've been in.
Right. But then you're talking last night about possible breaks, and
Oh
you
yeah,
start
so
throwing all
there's
that in
definitely a
there.
fracture in my shoulder.
I mean,
Tiny
that's
one. It's a tiny one. They try to be like, oh, this is the source of your pain. I'm like, no, it's not.
so it's just like a hairline.
You can't even see it. I was like, that's not the source of my pain. I promise you.
I mean, that could have happened from something else for all you know.
Yeah, no, that's what I said. I know that's not the source of my pain.
Shit.
And they're like, well, no. This is what we're gonna, I was like, shut up. I'll get the MRI done tomorrow. Leave me alone. I'm going to get an MRI done today. And then we'll see the tissue damage and then finally have a real orthopedic person take care of it. I should just went straight to an ortho to begin with, but I was trying to be cheap.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see here. It's just hanging around at the 65 level. That doesn't really give me a lot of confidence. I thought it was going to take off after that.
I could kill it and just get back in if it comes back down.
I mean, there's plenty from yesterday for us to play ball with. I mean, again, I'll take this ES all the way down to S1. And, I mean, if we don't get a bounce before S1, to something like that happen, that's some kind of news BS.
All right.
I mean, barring any, like, Trump tweets. All right. And Q pushing down. I gotta say, my original thought process on me being worried about this being a long market is starting to like.
I don't think we're going to settle into a range again.
That's fine. I'm not gonna
Like
go.
this is coming down now.
My original plan was get this one account rolling. And I was going to do several accounts, but now that we can't stay above 65, I'm only going to run with one account. I'm going to be kind of picky today.
Yeah, I'm small green in this one account, and I'm in it, so I'm tempted just to take profit here and let it come back down and get in, but I'll hold it.
I committed to the plan, so
If it went all the way down to S1, it still would only be $100 loss.
well, I plan to be 4 deep contracts if it does that.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too.
I'd be 4 contracts deep at that point, so I could just let that run. Now, I just don't like that there's no price movement whatsoever, because if we were even having some stuff like we had yesterday, these little up and downs, I would have started playing the game of one on, one off, one on, one off, one on, one off the whole time it did it. Can't do that either in this environment.
Mm-mm.
Could look for a long setup on that in Q though. And possibly ES. I mean, if this makes a double bottom on the ES, that's going to come from a level, so you got, this is I'll call it just a screw Paul. This is a Paul level in Q's at right now. O'Brien level is at 27.
35.
005. So right at 27,000, just a little bit above it. It's the level I have. But that'll coincide with this little double bottom here on the ES. That's another thing too. When you pick a level, you should not just trade it automatically. Watch and see how price acts around your level.
Oh, absolutely.
If if like this tells me this is a level, I know it's a level because price moved linearly in a linear fashion to this level and paused here. So you know it's a level. Is it the level you want to trade? Probably not. It's probably just a side effect of the 89 and a whole bunch of other people looking at the same level. This is what I would call, that's it's like institutional side pocket level, meaning that this is like a spot that's a level where they're going to grab contracts, but it's not a level where they're going to change the direction of the market. And that's exactly what we're doing. I mean, it's hung out in this little tiny 5-8 point range here on the NQ for how many contracts now? Almost the entire 1500 candle. Or how many trades? It's 1,000 trades in that one spot. That just happened, just right there, boom, 1,000 trades. So you know it's a level. You know somebody traded 1,000 trades. God knows how many contracts. Now this is where you look for the actual setup. And it should do the same thing. It should slow down. There you go. Start to turn around. We're going to be dialed in for this one. Everybody should be.
Mm-hmm. This is easy trading.
I'm just talking through exactly what I'm seeing on the chart. And so if it doesn't stay there, you look at it down here. And if that doesn't stay there, you switch your thought process to possibly taking shorts. Although, again, taking shorts is really hard to do in a market like this because everything says, we're going for all-time highs here. So I don't know. I'm kind of mixed on this. Let's see if this gives us the trade we're looking for. I'll try one with 6 contracts on the MES here.
On along here.
Yeah, this should be a good setup. This is a spot where I want to take it from. One tick above the pivot.
I don't think you're gonna get it. Looks like it's gonna keep going down a little bit more.
We'll see.
Got a little.
You can always cancel the order. All right. Well, no. We'll just wait for it to go a little bit lower.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I like this level, man. I really do.
Yeah, I'm gonna put one into above that pivot right there.
I like that level a lot. I like it a lot. Try to get this thing on the M&Q.
This is an area on the MNQ.
Let's see if it stays up. Nope, not gonna stay up, is it?
You're gonna crash.
Yeah, screwing around with us. I'm gonna have to get out of that dang ES long.
Oh crap! Yeah.
Let's see here. Oh, we got ways to go though. I mean, again, original plan said S1. What's my comfort zone there? This is still gonna be the long. They just had to get some freaking amateurs out of the way, bro.
Looks that way.
I'm gonna try to do
I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna try it.
Stay up there. Oh, missed me. Should do that in the market. Dag nabbit.
Boom.
There you go. There's a winning trade. Knew that was a level I wanted to trade from.
Boom.
Go all the way back up.
I grab your targets
all the way
instantly.
Back up. Do it.
Grab
I'll
that.
take it. I mean, M&Q, man. Here we go. Let's go.
I did it on the I did on the yes.
I couldn't get I had a buy stop, and then I couldn't get that to go.
I took it right above the pivot because if it broke up through,
I was trying to put
it was going bye-bye.
back to market, and I kept hovering my mouse back over here.
My other ES trade's coming back into profit again. I added another one on the ES, on the original entry.
Damn, that's
Here
a
we go.
bro.
Here we go, back in green again. A little bit longer, I'll take that target off. I'll just do this all day. I'll keep one going and just add one, take profit, take profit.
That's the way to do it.
Look at that freaking trade off the pivot. Thank you. Keep going, baby. I wish I'd have got the EMQ. I didn't get that. I was I was deadly focused on the yes here. Oh man, guess what worked out? My breakout of gold.
To the long side?
Winner.
Oh, to the short side.
No, the short side
Well,
broke down through the level there. I told you it broke down that level all the way to VWAP. Exactly what I said. Hey, it's hard to freaking watch all this stuff.
you gotta keep your keep your eye focused on the prize. I don't know. It is so tough making money.
Nice. I'm telling you, man, that gold,
I'm gonna not
that gold
aggressive.
range it works.
It do work. I gotta tighten my stop up on this. I can do it again if I go flat. It's a nice trade.
Oh crap! I didn't take my profit on the one contract. I'm gonna hold it. I think I'm okay with it. I think it's gonna.
You're 2 or 3 deep.
Yeah, I think we'll be all right.
Yeah. No, I mean the fact that we came back up through the level tells me that this is not a bad plan.
Or GC again. Come on. All right, there's first target.
What's that now?
Short GC, I said. I took it, bounced back, came right back up off that range and bounced. Perfect bounce right off the bottom of the opening range. Target off. Now I'll hold it, see if it get back, see if it can break VWAP, and that'll be a real nice trade. Come on, push VWAP. Woohoo! Think about GC micros, they add up quick.
Most micros add up pretty quick.
All right, let me get out of this. Let me put a.
That's fine if they bring it back down to the range they played in yesterday and play that range. I'm fine with that. You can make money doing
Yeah,
that.
I'm down only $37 on this original ES trade, but
Yeah,
I'm gonna hold it.
it'll be fine. Let's look at CL for a second. So what's funny about yesterday is both the markets and CL ranged up yesterday. There's no manipulation in these markets. None.
No. I don't know what you're talking about.
No manipulation. Let's see. Is it suspicious that I think that Amazon stole their model from Sears Roebuck?
From where? From Sears. Well, how did you come up with that theory?
Huh? Well, remember the old Sears Roebuck catalog you could order everything from?
I
Including
do.
the house? Isn't that just Amazon but digitally?
I have to go back and look at it.
It's pretty much the same thing. Like, pretty much the same thing. Oh, shit. Lulu's here.
Uh-oh.
All right. We'll see you later.
Good to see you, Lulu.
Oh, she's just in and out like a ninja. Little digital detox. How's that going for you? Pauline's starting to track people that are doing digital detoxes.
Is she doing? She's doing a digital detox for real?
Lulu is.
Nice. I don't think I could do that.
I mean, you know, spend like take like a week out of your life and just be like, all right, I'm only going to use digital shit.
I mean, I can do that if
for
I'm
an
like
hour.
out in Moab or something riding, you know.
I do it pretty much every night.
But even then, I have to check in after the fact.
I can't have that much screen time. It's just not healthy for me. Makes me go insane.
Oh boy. Be right back. Use the restroom quick.
Um, if it comes back down to 54 again, I'll add another one and then I'll take back off. Somewhere around this little area here. I think we'll end up ranging a little bit higher. No, we'll probably just hang out right here. Looks like it, doesn't it? Add one, take one off, add one, take one off, add one, take one off, add one. I can play that game. I can play that game, bro. Ski.
All right.
All right, so I was looking at this. I think we're gonna settle into, like you said.
Should we get out of the
Maybe a
CS
little bit
original?
lower on the NQ, but probably definitely gonna settle in some kind of range. No, this is what I'm talking about. I think. Look at yesterday. We can come back down all the way where we just had that drop down to VWAP here.
I want to take profit.
Yeah,
Look.
I'm just gonna start adding more to it. The lower the.
You're gonna keep. I'm gonna keep my. Okay, I'm gonna take one off. Then I'll keep my original.
Yeah, and I'm just gonna keep adding it. Every time it pops down here anywhere, I'm gonna add one.
I mean, my average entry now is at about 155. So 71.55. Excuse me. I'm up $300 and something in that account already. Well, that gold trade helped a lot. That was
What?
the gold short. That was a good little winner. Didn't quite make it to VWAP, but still was good. All right, what's NQ want to do? Break the pivot?
A chance to get long here. let's come down a little bit more. I'll add one. Come on. Come on. Come on down here. You know it. You can smell the pivot. Go to it, buddy.
I like this area, yeah.
You can smell the pivot. I'm just going to add one there. That's all I'm going to do.
I'm going to...
I'm going to add one at the pivot. Then I'll take a target.
Oh, crap. It's a mini. Ooh, I'm
No!
gonna hold it.
Don't
Oh,
do
crap.
that.
Wait, I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it. I'll
Jesus.
move my stop up. Break even +1. Oh, come
Pay
on.
commissions.
Come on, baby. Go. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Just close it out. Stop playing around.
No, I'll put it right under
yeah,
VWAP.
look
I'll
at
put it
that.
right under
Okay.
VWAP.
Never
Holy
mind. You
crap,
got a
look at
nice little
this.
trade out of that.
Talk about getting lucky.
Nice little
Yeah, I
trade
jumped
out of
in
that,
on the
buddy.
right at the pivot there, NQ, but
I did
didn't
too,
realize that
but
was
I went in a little bit earlier here, and then I added here at the pivot, and it took one off and pulled my stop up
Oh.
here. That was a sweet little trade.
oh shit. This is boy, when it gets, they're nice when it goes in your
Sweet little
favor, but it
trade.
sucks when it doesn't.
That worked out just
Come on.
about as well as it could have worked out there.
Oh yeah.
I like that one.
Ooh,
You guys getting some of these trades?
this is ducks on the pond here.
I mean, I don't know if anybody listening that has traded for more than a day, is this confusing stuff? I mean, are you guys able to like hear and understand the trades we're taking? I would think this is pretty straightforward trading, huh?
I'm out. I'm not giving any of that money back.
Now
Now if it comes back down, I'll get into
read what
a
Dan
mini.
wrote.
What, Dan,
I'm gonna pull
right?
the stop up here.
Bathroom break. Come on, Paul.
I should have taken a target.
I thought about that, Dan. I honestly thought about that. Sure would make it easy. Here,
take
note
a
to
super
self:
target here.
40 ounces of water in the morning, followed by 12 ounces of coffee. Not smart before the open.
What?
Yeah, that's what I've drank this morning. So
40 ounces
you may see me run into the bathroom a few times.
What do you got, like colonoscopy tomorrow or something?
No, I just woke up thirsty. I drank a big 40 ounce, that big black thing, that big Georgia mug I carry. I drank that whole thing this morning, and then I had my coffee. You know me and
wow.
coffee. I can drink some coffee.
Whoa.
Yeah. Yeah. But 3 minutes between bathroom breaks.
The Indian alarm clock.
Yeah, for sure. Indian alarm clock.
That's what we call it. I don't know what you call it, bro. If you need to set a timer for 30 minutes, drink that much water.
Yeah,
You need to wake up early, chug a bunch of water when you get to sleep.
that's right. That's how you get up. Chug a bunch of water, you'll get up.
Shooting fish in a barrel here. I'm gonna try. I told you at some point I'm gonna try. I should have tried that one I just did with the M&Q on 6 contracts, especially off that pivot bounce.
That'll be what?
All right. Um, come back down. Let me add a contract. Come on. There we go. Come
I'll
on,
take my
Mark.
profit on this ES and then let it come down. I'm just going to lock in some profit. And if it takes me. And then if it comes back down, I'll just get in again. Well, I like days like this. Ooh.
Yeah, it gives you opportunities all around the board.
I know, man. This is easy trading too. It's not very predictable market.
Try to look at the other assets here and see if we got something going on. I'm not that comfortable layering into the RTYs as I am the other ones, but there's definitely some good trades to be had here. Look at my levels. So busy doing some levels here. I don't know. Sometimes, I mean, on days like this, I'm like, let's just get rid of. Maybe not get rid of it, but rotate charts out instead of this being a RTY. Let me put another.
Put something else in there.
Like another, you know, just another like NQ where I have a different plague one. I mean, all I have live
Inside
right
the
now
opening
is
range, man. We are setting into the. Here comes this range from yesterday. We're back in.
fair enough. I'll also start again. I mean, like I said, I'm settled
Do
into
the same thing we were doing yesterday, right?
settled into one long on this. So like, all the other trades I need to be taking is long. So I probably should just like. I mean, I don't mind showing it. What I'm saying is I could just change this to another ES and have this running up there. Because I mean, what else am I gonna do?
60, 71, 63, 75. Why do I have a better entry than you? Did you not?
Because I got in later than you, I guess.
I'm at
You
71,
you added a contract that I didn't add.
Oh, that's right. Down below. That's right. I added one down below. Yeah, because I'm in
I
at
didn't catch this one.
71.55.
I was two points off. I should have pulled my limit order up. Should have pulled my limit order up. It's tempting to put one on here on the MQ, you know? Something like that.
Oh, you're right in the middle of this range, though.
Yeah.
Like right in the
but
middle of it, literally.
I know. But then, oh, there's the target already off.
There you go. That was
And
quick.
let it go up and hit the top of the range. There you go. I mean, again, you could also do it like this. Take this target too. Be like, all right, I'll just do that again next time. Boom. That was an easy $25. Wasn't it?
Yeah. I did not take that, but yes.
$25 you could possibly do. I'm seriously like starting to think about that a lot because like I don't want to be perfect right there, but by gosh, there's a pretty good idea that's going up. Grab that $25 real fast. So could have left my target at the higher target and it would have gotten that. That'd been like $50. Easy peasy fix. But what I was saying though is I could just put my stop down here
Yeah.
and added one.
This freaking ES
that
just
again.
work out.
Yeah, I mean, I like for this to go up and get me. If this goes and gets my
Everybody,
limit,
are you guys getting this? I mean, are we being clear enough with what where our entries are? I mean, that's a
like
serious question because we're trying really hard to make this easy.
And on top of that, we finally are going to be meeting to get social media running, so we should start seeing new people come in.
Yeah, yeah. We just haven't really been
So
promoting that. That's why you don't see anything.
we're just working with AI
ES
Tom.
long too.
Yeah, that's a long. I should have been.
I'm already long.
Um, I mean, at this point, it should go back up to. Well, I mean, this is that 65 level there, which means I should have just taken that target out of here. I don't know. Let's go
I'm
back
saying
in.
I'm locking in. This is a
I'm just gonna go
damn
down to
good trade.
one contract, so I can like lighten up on that. But if it pushes, yeah, it should go. I mean, now it pushes up. You should be going to like. Well, you look at where it came from yesterday. The Globex got all the way up to here, so I mean, at least a 69. Bounce, chicka, wow, wow. I mean, personally, I'd love for it to come back down and let me add some more contracts.
I think you're going to get your down here.
And I'm gonna do something crazy. No, I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I'm gonna switch this to my. Uh, let's see. What account did I do that on? Do that account. Huh. All right, we'll do this again. Let it come back down. I'll go to two MNQ contracts at the low. And it'll pop back up on me. Or with the ES breakout this time, which would be nice. That actually breaks out. So now I'm gonna say that I like this level, so I'm gonna pull our order up to 60. Looks like. Where? I said like 60, right? Yeah, somewhere around 60, 60, 50. And obviously like this now, I'm on the pivot. All right, now in the M&Q.
You're just going to get your pull. Here's your drop back down.
Put another little target back right here. All right, now watch. We're gonna try this more time on the M&Q here. Same play as before.
Huh.
Let's go with two contracts. Get our stop down below the pivot. Do a one add. One add there. Technically the stop should be a few ticks lower below that last swing down there. There you go. It's magic. It's magic. I mean, if you're wrong, you're wrong, right? But I mean, the odds say should not be wrong with that kind of play, right?
Nope. I think I think that will work.
All I was doing was I was looking at the small tick chart, right? I was saying, okay, well, this is definitely consolidating. So it could go up from here. If it does, great. Got a quick target. Easy. If it doesn't, I'll pull my fill price back down to somewhere around here. Never mind. There's your target off. Look, watch, we can do this again. Like this one, I'm gonna trail this one out just because this might be the pop through opportunity. Yeah, let me trail this one out. I'm gonna get this stop up here too. Thank you. Thank you. Um, so there you go. Now you got a little structure here to pull the stop up under. All right. Well, let's try that one more time, huh? Yeah.
Long breakout there.
I know. Um, Again, as long as your premise is right, I mean, we're not thumping my chest, being like, "Oh, look at that." Yeah. I should be probably. Hey, look, I was right on this all the time. But I've got 3 accounts over $100 right now, just playing this little tiny micro game.
Yep. Oh, look at this go. It's just too easy, Brian.
I didn't even start trading until like 10. You know that, right?
Yeah, somewhere around there. Maybe a little before 10, but yeah. I am up 253. Well, I'm up big on one because of that accidental mini. But other than that, on the micro trades, all of them about $200 to $300 on each account. So.
Excuse me, waitress. Now you got a new spot for a stop. Go ahead and cancel that. Cancel that ad. I mean, I could say that I want to add back down as it comes back down, but I'll just start the process over. 2 minis and a microphone. Q. 2 micros, I mean, and an add boof. All right, let's pull this trick on another account. I am not a 1-trick pony. I'm a 2-trick pony.
You're a 2-trick pony.
I can buy and I can sell. Boop, do you too? There's more trash trucks that come through this neighborhood, and we're on a freaking little island. Like, there's not
That
many
and,
residences on this freaking. I mean, there is a lot of residences on this island, but
That creepy ice cream trucks.
Treasure Island, that creepy ice cream truck goes all over this island. It's so weird, and I've never seen it sell a single freaking thing of ice cream around the beach. Like, haven't seen it sell anything, and specifically this neighborhood. It comes through same time every single day. You'll hear it. It's usually like right around like 1 o'clock, I think. Grace. I got my Gracie facey. Gracie facey. All right, I gotta get another account rolling on this ES. I don't know which one this is, but I'm gonna get one rolling. That way I don't have one just playing a game. They're putting mines in a freaking straight. That's so stupid. Mines in a straight. Come on back down. Let me do this again. Come on down. Do this one more time.
Do it again.
Come on down. The price is right.
Here it comes.
We get our 2 micros back on the M&Q. I'm going to try to get me one where I have my order there at 60, maybe 61-ish.
I'm going to jump in right here, I think. Yeah.
I don't think it'll be that wrong.
And then again down here.
I think it's got a little bit further down, and then yeah, it's sort of stalling out there, isn't it? I don't know. Whatever. This is a whole different swing, like a point. Okay, get one, and then one back around.
I'm in right here. There it goes. Target off.
Yeah, I did. Oh, you did two? I did one.
Yeah, I did two right here off the 89 and the 77. Yeah,
Shit.
right. I got one off now, so I'm free and clear. Telling you, man, this is too freaking easy. This kind of market is easy doing this because it's just so predictable. You can't.
Yeah,
I mean, you
past
almost.
couple weeks.
I hate to say you can't lose, but you really can't. If you just keep adding in, you'll eventually be in profit. And that's why I said I hope you guys are getting this. I truly hope you guys are getting this.
Give me an ad down here somewhere on this M&Q.
Yeah, I've got another one. Where's your ad on the M&Q?
I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna go. I think that's a little aggressive. Probably like right around VWAP, I think. Maybe a couple ticks higher. Let's go to.
Yeah, I'm right at VWAP in a second ad here.
All right. So 08 maybe, because 2705 was my original level.
Oh, you're a little higher. You're higher than me. Be
05 was my
quiet.
original level, so somewhere around there. Just get a little ahead of it, just in case it doesn't want to do it. And if I'm completely wrong, it goes below the pivot, and I lose money.
I think you're going to be wrong. I think we're holding inside this range.
I know.
We did the same thing yesterday. We would break out of the range for a little bit, and we come back in the range and bounce.
Yeah.
It's the exact same. I said that earlier.
The other one with two contracts, so.
Yeah, I told you I've been doing two contracts on entry, and then I add one at a time after that.
Well, sometimes my entries aren't the best. That one I probably should have done two contracts on the ES. I did the ES one as it came down to 89. You did that as well, right?
I didn't do the ES, only the NQ.
The NQ. Oh.
Yeah.
But
I'm still in the original ES from this morning, the first
I
trade.
just put another account. I got another account.
Oh, I did. I haven't added another one. I'm just holding it.
No, I have.
Probably should add another one, I guess.
Two accounts running on the ES now instead of one. Which is fine.
Update my totals here. Come on.
Need to add. See if that turns around there. I mean, if we really want to be real hard-headed on this, we could probably get to 4 contracts if you want to add another one here, but another one where it's at right now on this. I don't think I want to. This should turn around from here. And if it doesn't, I was completely wrong. Okay, fine. I might try to add one more down here if it starts to wick. We'll just see. I've been wrong before.
I mean, you got some downside, but it's not. Again, it's going to bounce.
Yeah, it looks like it wants to turn around.
Oh, it didn't put me in. Son of a gun.
That's why I had mine at 8.
Now it's going to go without me.
I hope so. I sure hope so, my friend.
Damn it, one ticked me. No way.
I hope so.
All right, let me cancel that then. All right, I'm in profit again, so it doesn't matter, but still, damn.
I meant to buy this one with 2. Well, shoot. There you go. Let's get these targets off. Target off. Another winner chicken dinner for the dude that doesn't know what he's doing. Hang on. I'm having some kind of issue here.
Oh. Why is that dark?
I don't know.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
I accidentally pressed a button. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to find the winning trade chat. Like, people don't see this stuff.
It's written down.
Should have. I am way deep into these trades here, man. I'm trying to figure out the target on this puppy. Is this
I got
somebody
my,
takes off?
I've totally moved it out of the way. I'm not.
I mean, I'm trying to gauge on this ES here. If it goes past this last swing high this morning, it's technically, it's almost like a Crable break. I'll keep my eye on that. Maybe I should take a target on one of these. I did it with, you know what, I'm just going to squeeze my stop up. If it breaks out, it breaks out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I don't care now. Oh, there we go. That was fun.
I'm liking it.
Yeah, I gotta start rotating accounts again. This whole making money thing. I'm gonna do that account this time. Then I'm gonna do those. One. 4. Okay. Have my accounts chosen.
This NQ's gonna pop.
I'm trying to get ready to pop it with it. Pop it and lock it.
Oh, you're out.
Pop
Okay.
and lock it. Huh?
I'm not out yet. I said I just realized you're out. I'm not.
I
I'm
just
still
put it
holding
below
the.
that structure. I was like, I can jump in again if I want to.
I just want to see what it does here. I think it's going to pop. I think if it breaks this, we got to run all the way up to that top up there. Oh, 08,
Well,
108
that would mean a breakout on the ES of the
would also mean a breakout of the EF, which looks like you're going to get.
morning
Looks like you're
high.
going to get.
So if the ES breaks out in the morning high and goes, I'm all on board. If the NQ just pops up and fakes people out, I'm not going to do it.
All right. Give me a second. I'll be right back. Good coffee. Coffee's good today. Woo.
Dang, I walk away for 2 seconds.
Breaks out.
It breaks out. All right, well, now I can be confident in doing what I said I was going to do. Let's get aggressive with this shit. All right. So let's see here. Just gonna get a little aggressive with it now. Restless alligator's tail out. Somewhat aggressive. I'm gonna try to add a contract on that play I've been in all morning. At a more aggressive level here. That's the same one I've been in all morning long. So come back to like this little area right here. I'm just gonna get aggressive with it. That's all. Trying to put the it's tempting. It is extremely tempting to any little pullback. I'll start getting in stuff on any little pullback. All right, got these guys on the accounts I'm on them on.
Good breakout. I'm glad I held that. It looked like it was going to go. That's
And I was talking to Mrs. P. I'm like, how does somebody not buy this when I'm showing you $100 profits across all my accounts every single day across the board? Right, Paul? How,
One day pays for the whole month.
we're the best damn kept secret out there.
That's why I was asking earlier if it's making sense to you, if the entries of the people in here. I mean, I get it, but then I'm biased because you and I have been working together so closely for so long. But
I think we've got a good. I mean, this is a process that works, and we don't
we're
just because
talking
we're
it
layering
through,
in, it doesn't
rushed.
change. Yeah, nothing's
We're
rushed. Nothing's.
not like, oh, get in here, get in here. I mean, every now
No.
and then we get one of
Well,
those, but
yeah, every now and then because we see a sweet little
we
spot.
just see it. But
But no, I was getting her opinion. I was like, what do you? Because she hasn't been around in a while, right?
right,
I got one of the M and Qs. I got one of my M and Qs on long too. I forgot to tell you that.
I'm
Took the
still
break.
holding that original one.
I
That
just took
thing's
the break.
gone.
I took the break out when this thing popped down and turned back around. I
Now we
just
got
got
to here see if
into
we
it.
can get a Crable break. I might do a Crable break with another account.
This was a crable break on the ES. Oh shit! That's
Oh,
why I started
yes,
taking
already
it.
broke.
Oh
Yeah, we got the
man.
Crable on the yes, but we're about to get the Crable on the.
Oh, I did take it. I did it in one contract on another account.
You got Friday high, you've got the Asia high, you've got Crable 30-minute high. You got everything here. So
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna switch
this
this
breaks.
account to. I'm gonna switch this account to the one I've been playing all morning long. Oh, that's not it.
I'm gonna have to account trade. I'm gonna wait and hold that one until later because
And we'll just let that one grind out. Maybe I'll just switch it around and let the ones that I have grinding out for profits. I'm gonna pull this up too. I want to see this. Like, I gotta get another contract in here. It's almost tempting to just put it in, huh? It just broke my
I mean
level, and I think Stretch is right. 80's probably,
7180 next.
yeah. I'm gonna do it. I mean, what's the worst thing that happens? I get another contract. I mean, it's just so deep. Oh shoot, that hit my target fast. Yeah, there you go. That's one that's up there. So that's what I've been trading all morning. So I can switch that around to another one. Well, man, let's see. Uh, I have. Let's see, which account do I want to do? This one. Then pull back some. All right, I filled that one out here. Let's figure out. I did say 80 for a target because I'm liking Stretch's target here, so I'm gonna go 79 for my target on that one. All right, I gotta start using trading from the chart for these guys. All right, that one's pretty well set up. Now, let's. Do we want to add? I mean, this is a nice little like breakout. I mean, you could add back down to.
Yeah, better entry than I do.
Oh no, this is one. No, this is one I've been trading all morning long. I started down
Oh,
here.
okay.
My original entries were way down here. Remember, I've been taking on and off, on and off, and off.
Yeah.
I pick one account each day when I get a bias, and I'm gonna do that with. So that was this account. Got like 10. Any kind of pullback. Come on, give me a pullback, baby. Dang.
Got a small short on GC with a stop right above that candle at 47.55. Really small risk. See if it'll reject the midpoint of this range back down to the range bottom. So my target will be 47.45.
GC, MGC.
Yeah, MGC.
I'm tempted to do the breakout in micros in these tiny little 2 micros. You know what?
Come on, another big boy. All right, there we go. First target's off. All right, free trade now. It either goes down or it just kind of takes me out.
No, I'm gonna add on almost everything that comes down.
Kick squeak, shut up.
Try to add on everything that comes down.
NQ's gonna break this again. It's gonna go.
I know. I'm trying to figure out where my real ad would be in the M and Q. Probably around 91. 91.
Are you in NQ anywhere?
Do you mean
'Cause if you're
MQ?
not-
No.
Do you want to get in right
I'll
here?
try to. I guess it seems like it should, right? Yeah.
Pull back, just let it pull back a little bit back to the top of the.
I like to save the pull bigger. I like to save getting in queue with bigger pullbacks, but
Right, but we're right at the top of this range. Just think if it can close, had like a big tick close above that range, which we haven't had.
nice. I mean, we're getting into all-time high stuff.
You know, that too. Yeah, I got to factor that in.
But we're not getting all-time high stuff on the ES. And I did say part of my plan this morning was if the NQ starts teetering with all-time high stuff, I'm gonna be pretty heavy, long, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I said I was gonna
Come
get
on
aggressive
down,
as this
goal.
scenario played out, and that's about how you do it. Your plan plays out, and you get aggressive.
Look at this goal working out. Another $100 trade coming up. 3 winning trades on gold.
Well, tell me next time. I'll take it with you.
I told you with plenty of time. You could have got in.
I didn't. Yeah, I didn't.
I'm leaving my stop right
Didn't see
right
it.
above that 54. I'm not gonna move it. If it takes me out, I think I'll lose a couple bucks. $5. All right, there you go. There's your close above.
So if nobody's in a position, this is a short setup happening here for ES and NQ.
Oof. On EQ?
Yeah, they're both gonna be a decent little short setup, but I'm committed to the longs. I can't take
Don't
them.
do that to me because I'm long.
But it is a short setup. I mean, you'll
It
be
is
able
a
to get your
short
targets
setup,
and shit.
I'm hoping it's a short setup that doesn't work.
It's gonna work.
All right, I'm gonna take my profit. I'm out. Yeah, you got me scared.
Well, I just want to add. I mean, it's gonna work to the extent that you're gonna be able to get like some targets, but how far down? I don't think very far. Watch. Or if you're committed to the longs, you got
Do that now. I'm out.
a good ad point down a little bit. I mean, like I said, at 091, I would add on the M&Q.
I mean, I got an upside target to 140 on, so I was hoping for that.
Well, I mean, there's way more than 140 if you get there.
Um, yeah, I would guess. Right?
Yeah, way more than 140 if you get there, bro.
Well, I would be happy with 140 for sure. Freaking
It's not gonna give me my ad. All right.
40
Well,
freaking point trade.
so I did get in 2 contracts, M and Q.
Long?
Yeah, I did what we were
I
talking.
I
We
killed
talked about
mine.
it. We talked about it. We talked about it, and it
I
came
know
down.
you scared me with the short though, and I killed it.
Well, it couldn't. Well, as soon as it couldn't go lower, I just put the buy stop in just
Yeah,
now.
that's a good trade. I mean
Well, I
that's
didn't
what
do
I
it
had
before
in
we were
mind.
talking about it. I wanted to see what
It's
it
what I
did.
wanted from day one. That was the break I was looking for. So we'll see what happens.
Well, that's what we talked about doing. I just wanted to give. I wanted a little bit more confirmation. Is what I wanted.
Come on,
And I'll
GC.
add
Give me
here.
that target. I should just take this target right here. Take this.
Yeah, that's about as far as I wanted to go against me if I'm wrong.
Boom.
So,
GC target about to be hit.
um,
One tick me. I'm out. All right. Another $80, $100 trade. I like this GC. I mean, you can just very consistent so far. Second week of it being consistent.
all right. Well, now that I'm not like in intense back pain constantly,
820, 850. Just mark
start
that out. And
focusing
then
on
the
that.
midpoint. And you can play the bounces off it all day long. I mean, if you look back, to me, it seems like it stays in there for the majority of the day. And then at one point in time, it gets the big breakout and then it's gone. So you can play. It's almost like playing the range, basically. That's what I've been doing this morning. Probably should have held that trade because I think it's going to go, but it's all right. Time is at 11. Is it break time yet?
Whatever you want to do, man. I'm having a good time doing this.
Oh, we can stay around. I don't have nothing to do
As
right
long as
now.
we're making money, dude.
Yeah. What time's your doctor's appointment today?
Huh? Oh,
Do you
later
have one this
today.
afternoon
Yes,
or?
later.
Okay. Let's see a pullback on the NQ. Here comes your 140. Look at that freaking goal. I should have held it. Dummy. Should have held it.
All right. Got my target off. Move my stop up. Well, I should have did that on another account too. Dang.
Yeah.
That's
Here comes the 140. Here comes the 140.
Let's see. We gotta get by basically where we're at. Let's see here. Um. Maybe my target should be up there. I can have a hard time not believing that it's going to hit the target. Now,
It came close.
pull that stop up again. I can always wind this tape back up. Always wind this puppy back up. 140 is what you're looking for. Whatever. It's got a battle with yesterday's high. We got a couple more ticks on the stop. Is that how it is there? Close that. Start that one over somehow, some way. Huh. Dude, I gotta tell you, Paul. I heard somebody say this before. Micros add up.
Heck yeah.
I'm working on
I mean, doesn't
$140 right here on this account, and I've only traded it twice
yeah.
with no
I mean,
risk.
doesn't
No
well,
risk.
it's like exactly. It's like not only do they add up, it's the fact that you're not putting anything at real risk. I mean, if you blow an account trading 1 and 2 micros, dude, we need to talk. Like what?
You
Like
really
how?
could, yeah, that's impossible.
I mean, what have you done to lose $3,000 in micros trading 1 and 2 contracts at a time, never being more than 2 or 3 deep?
Take that target.
Now the NQ, I could see if you're 4 deep in the
I'm gonna
NQ, that could
unwind
go
this
against you.
ES
That could hurt.
one. I'm on this one that I've been playing all morning. I'm gonna go ahead and unwind that. I'm up $100 on it, and
Because I mean, NQ might could get expensive if you start tacking a bunch on there, but
all right, I'm flat across the board. Let's reset everything. Sorry, I'm 100% there. I mean, like every now and then play the minis when you're doing really well. But I mean, dude, this ain't nothing but shake a stick at. 98, 140, 127, 107, 92, and well, I got one that's at 44 right now. I mean, what else do you want? I mean, it literally paid for your entire month to be here. And I showed virtually every single play on the screen. The ones that, obviously
Yep.
I got a lot of accounts to go through, but if you can't follow what you see, just the trades you saw on my screen is
not even. Yeah, I was saying not even showing.
$300.
It's the fact that we've talked through it.
just replicate what I do. That's all you gotta do. All right, let's see if we get a deeper pullback here and start this process over. Seems like it'd be about the time that would happen, right? What time is it? Maybe I should ice my back. You can tell you're on better stuff when you're like not as Painful. Um, dang it. I'm gonna stay here. I need to like figure out a way to ice my back. I have somebody that could help me though. We could probably figure out a way to strap some ice to it.
Strap some mice to your back.
I think
Hey,
so.
you want to take a little break? We can come back in
I
30
think
minutes. We're not gonna miss.
I think we got opportunity sitting right in front of our faces, man. Walking away is kind of dumb.
I think we're slow creeping up at this point.
I know, but I'm gonna pull this whole like 2 contracts enter, 1 contract leaves. No, I'm just kidding. And then just add. I'm gonna do the same thing on another account. And then I just add all the way back down any of these places. I mean, there shouldn't be a lot. Look on the ES. There's not a lot like behind here. We got your targets well within, that all-time high. And then after that, there's nothing really holding us down. I mean, I'd be happy to add all the way back in where we came from down here at this point,
Yep. And then Q hit that
And then
140.
I
So
want to target off.
see what happens.
Got to get a target off on this one. And then we go aggressive on our final target. Take that away from there. Get my stop back down where I want on this other account. I did 2 accounts.
Another all-time high on NQ now.
And so like I'm gonna let that pull back a little bit. And I'm gonna do the same play with that. 2 contracts. Let it pull back, pop out of here again, something like that. Either way's fine with me. And I'll take this ES here. No. And put down the ES. And then I'll just put an add back here. Oh. Put a limit back there. I'd be happy putting another limit back down here. The more conservative add is probably lower on this little curve here. That's a conservative add, but I don't think we're going to get into the add territory, so I'm going to leave it aggressive. Did say I was going to get aggressive on it. And I'm going to leave one running. I'm going to leave another one that I got in. I'm going to leave it running just like El Natural and only add on a deep pullback like around like 67, 65. So I'll put like a buy limit there too. I'll make this one a little bit more aggressive and this one a little less aggressive. And then I've got one more. Let's see which one this is at. Oh, I'll use this account. One more account there on the M&Q. Just gonna be patient on this. Let it come maybe back to one of these two levels here or here. Tell you what I will do. If I get oversold stochastics, anywhere from okay, no, I like this. Anywhere from like 120, and it hooks up with a decent little structure, I'll go ahead and go in with 2 and add on a deeper pullback if it happens. So that's what I'm gonna do there on the MEQ.
Okay.
It's not gonna give it to me. It's not gonna give it to me. It's just gonna go. Just gonna go, which is fine. Either way is fine with me. I'm pretty happy with the positions I'm in. I don't have a single thing. See, I'm a lot similar. I'm comfortable doing this with the MES. I'm not comfortable doing that breakout play with the MEQ.
No, I'm not touching this. It's got to pull back at this point. If it goes without me, it goes. Whatever. I should have not got out of that trade, but I did. Whatever. Not gonna chase it.
It looked like it was coming back down some.
But like you, I don't mind doing it on the. But the ES is. I'm starting to warm up to the ES and the layering thing a little, because it's not as. You can take more risk.
Yeah, I got down. The deepest drawdown this morning I had was like $109.
And what's your max? Like 4 entries?
Usually, yeah. 3
or
4?
Up to a total of 6,
which is what I've been doing.
Mostly
what I've been doing is one on, one off. Getting a core position, taking one on, one off, one on, one off, one on, one off, and just doing that 10 times on that same account. I mean, again, that's 10 times for $10 each. That's $100. I mean, I'm taking little tiny baby targets, taking one off, add one, taking baby targets. That's mostly. But when I see nice swings like we had today, I just wait for bigger pullbacks and bigger targets. So I did that like 3 times, 4 times on this one, on that other account I was on. And I'll do that 4 times over on this account. I'll do that 4 times over on this account. End up with I'll end up with a $1,200 day just by sitting here playing with micros all day long.
In micros.
Doing in micros. No real big concerns. No real like, oh my goodness. Nothing. There's zero stress to it whatsoever. I mean, I've been pretty damn consistent at this. I don't care if these people. I've literally been. I've been so consistent at doing this the past few weeks that life has just gotten settled, relaxed. It's relaxing. I mean, think about that.
Yeah.
It's $1,000 a day in micros. $600, $500, $600, $700 a day in micros. That's, I don't know. That's only
awesome.
$10,000 a month on the low side, and that's only using 6 accounts. I mean, I'll have 2 paying me out soon on micros, and then I'll add another eval.
On micros.
On micros. Every now and then a mini here and there. That's it. It's life changing. Screw minis, man. You can play this micro game all day long. All day. All day long. And I'll say this as long as my level's good and as long as my premise is good, we're good. Right? I mean, I think that's all we need. You get good levels.
That's it.
You got. Is this all right? Let's talk while we're sitting here waiting on these trades to work out for us. is so what do we have going on social media right now? So like if I do this little quack thingy, is it going to take my, we're talking about doing everything in micros. And just to review the morning, this is one of the big things that I was looking at all morning long is this, the NQ was already up, but it had pushed back down. And so it stayed, while the ES was battling with that 65 level, it stayed down in this range, which we kept buying the bottom and selling the top of. And like a dummy, I bought the bottom and sold the top of this last one. If I'd left it in, it'd have been a bigger runner. But that's fine. And then for some reason, I didn't get back into this one with you. That was silly. I don't know how I did not get back into that pullback. So couldn't really get committed to that NQ long since it was teetering with all-time highs until the ES stayed above this 65 level here, and then I got really aggressive with it staying above 65 on the long side. And that's, you gotta have, so the premise, that's what I'm trying to say, is the premise behind this was all morning long, we started here at 9 o'clock-ish, where were we, somewhere around here, pretty flat, come up after the open, comes back to a pretty flat level, but we had a slight long bias, even though we're battling with all-time highs and stuff. And we just started limping in one contract at a time. That's all you've got to do. And if you know that your level's good, and you know that price shouldn't break your levels, because my original thought this morning, right, was to layer in all the way down to S1. That was the original thought, because we're looking back at all this stuff back here saying, hey, well, there's a lot of stuff. This 37 level to me, I love you too. This 37 level is akin to the 65 level in strength.
Yep.
So anyway, talking about levels. Oh, look at that. Need to adjust that. Stop. Adjust that stop. Get that stop out of here. Come on, stop. Let's see if I'm completely wrong. Stop. I was a little too aggressive on that target. Let's do like that. That should be a. And then I think I'd be comfortable like adding a little bit higher now. Like up in the top of this little range that was there. And then doing one of these plays here, and then saying if we're really freaking wrong, we're only going down past this. So that gives a little bit more action, and then we can put a target back in up here. Oh, never mind. It already did it. Already did it for me.
No.
I didn't move my target in time. That's fine though. It did it for me. That's kind of cool. Let it come down again. Put another target on there. Who cares? All right. M and Q now. Let's look at that. Possible.
Getting a
Try to
pullback.
get 2 on. And then if we're
I'd love to see it come back.
If we're running the same premise, 70.
Yeah,
70,
90.
Okay, 90. is as far
Hmm.
as down we want it to go. So
That's
stop
where
goes
I'd
below
like to see
90.
it come. I'm in at
Stop go.
90 if it comes back there.
I'm going at 2 now,
Oh, damn it. Okay.
and then I'm gonna
I'll
add.
do it.
I'm gonna add down here at 110, 111. I'll just show that on the screen, I guess. Here we go. Is this the same ES that I'm on there? Are those two the same ones? They're not. No,
Yeah.
these are two different accounts. No, these are two different accounts. Oh,
What
never
are you
mind.
looking
Target
at?
off.
Oh, I see.
Never mind. Target off. Can't even add on this now.
All right. I did it with you. Target off. Target
This
off.
is easy. So, all right. Again, so we don't have anything being posted on social media right now.
He is working on that right now. You saw he said he's working on it. He just posted it, or he posted it earlier. But no, but keep doing what you're doing because he's still collecting all of it.
Huh?
Like keep doing, like, keep talking and doing the
Okay. So
the
none
little
of that's
trigger
going out on
thing.
social media right now.
No, nothing's going out.
Okay. Do we have an ETA?
I don't know. He's working on it right now. We'll check in with him after we're done here.
All right.
He might be listening. Is he in the room?
No, I didn't see him. That's why I was asking you.
Hey, I should have took that in some bigger contracts.
Yeah, but how much less risk you feeling right now, bro? All right. I'm trying to decide if I want to do this as an ad situation now because I think me think's good. Just add in front of our position here. Hold on, let me switch this to the account that I'm running over here. Let me look at these real quick. You see what I'm saying? Like we got such a great field price compared to. Put this on that account. Don't you go and get my target there, boy, before I can get finished managing this stuff. All right. Don't get my target. 140 my butt, dude. What'd I tell you? I told you if it hit 140, there wouldn't anything come back. And now let's look at it this way. Let's go down to that should be our MQ. One contract, and then I'd like to add. I'd like to add around, like what, 41. So
Where?
I go add around 41.
41. Pull back to 41.
Yeah, there's a one contract add.
I'll do that. I'm okay with that. 41.
I'm leaving the ATM on, so it'll automatically give me a target, and I can pull my target if I want, pull it where I want to. And I'm actually tempted to do that on this ES trade here. I'm really deep in it too, so I'm tempted to do a higher add on it, like 77. 77. Yeah. Let me add it 77, and then I'd still be comfortable adding again down here at. The conservative ad would be right in front of our stop. This stop needs to be adjusted again because this is our catastrophe stop should be down here on this now. And then let that target get taken. And adjust the stop. Give me an ad here. We can also add this. I'm not going to go more than a few deep on. What are we? Too deep on this one? Two contracts deep.
Too deep. Yeah, too
So
deep.
I'll do another ad back down here.
We're in too deep.
So if we add here to 3, we have to say this is catastrophe stop. Right here. You see what I'm saying?
I mean, 119 would be where I would want to add, or that would be where I'd like to add again.
Well, if you're
I'll add at
comparing it to
119 and then
talking about,
catastrophe at like 107 or something below that.
okay.
I mean, I have one at one. I mean, I'll add one more and then let it go against me a little bit.
Okay. All right. So I'm gonna one up you and go to. Actually, I'm gonna be conservative on this. I'm gonna stay down there at 112, like I thought. Come on, ES, come down and get my next entry. I'm just this one's my conservative one. I'm just trying to wait for it to play out. I mean, that'd be awesome. An awesome little target now that I already put in for you. I like that target.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna start leaving the ATM on when I do these. That way, I have a target that's already on the screen and I can adjust
That's
it,
up. That's up already. Yeah.
or if it turns around, yeah. Um, so maybe move our target a little bit higher now on the ES one. A few ticks higher. Let's go a few ticks higher on the ES target. Keep it.
I gotta take a quick break. I'll be right back.
Okie dokie. Fix this stop here. Walking around all day long. Yeah, nobody's looking at this one. Looks like a lower tick chart setup coming up here on the M and Q. Looks like a lower tick chart setup happening on the MGC as well. Nope. Nope. They don't want to buy it just yet. Catastrophe. All right, somebody watch my trades for me. I'll be right back. Wow. A lot of things change.
Yeah,
Nothing changed.
not a thing.
Nice job, Stretch. I think he's going already there. Great job, Stretch.
Stretch a good trader, man. He's really good.
Yep. I should have had my next. Well, never mind. Maybe they'll come back and get. This
You're gonna
can't
get
be.
it.
This can't
I
be
think
like.
this is
Let's
gonna.
just drop it to. If this is like drop it to the floor time, that'd be the dumbest thing ever.
I'm not thoroughly convinced this is gonna go too much higher here right now.
Well, okay, but
We'll
not too
see.
much. Too much lower shouldn't be the case either.
We can get a pullback. Consider. We can get him come back. I
I mean, it
mean,
could,
we can get out of it by just layering in. Not worried about that.
I don't. Oh, I mean, we were just battling for our all-time highs. That's all we were doing. I mean, that should be enough to take it all the way back down. But
We'll see. About to get in
this
here.
level here,
About to get another contract in here. There we go. There's another
let's
contract.
see. I think we need to get deeper on this. I'm not worried about the
It's
ES
just a
one.
big risk on the NQ.
It is on the NQ. That's what I'm talking
I
about.
mean,
It's way too
I'm
much bigger
over.
than
I'm
this.
at $100 already now. There it goes, bouncing up.
I'm only 2 contracts deep on the ES. So my ES stop really needs to be under these.
Yeah, I don't
Under
know that
this
I'm.
level down here. Needs to be under where it came from. 2 contracts deep on the ES. Let's see here. That should be fine. Now I don't like this price action on the MQ right now. This is where they're just trying to pull the rug out from under people.
No, I'm debating if I should just take the loss on this one because I don't want this to go too far against me. This could come a ways down.
Maybe. Yeah. I don't want to go too far against me either. I'm fine with this on the ES though. I mean, like, I'd be fine adding down here too. I mean, if that's to pull the rug out from under us move, then so be it. If it's just a stop run for the people long, then we'll have some opportunity to add.
See what happens.
I still like that 65 level as an add here on the ES. It's hitting the top of that range here.
I took a short on another. I don't know if I can do. Yeah, I did. It's a different company, so it doesn't matter. Trying to offset a little of this loss here because this is going deep into me now.
Oh.
Come on, bounce. I won't let it go much more than this.
Bounce with me. Bounce with me.
Oh, did you get out of the NQ?
Huh?
You got out of the NQ?
No. I'm just switching it around because I want to do a buy.
Oh,
I want to do a. I'm gonna do a buy order on it.
Ooh, a little scary. Come on, bounce on me. All right, now start that slow creep back up.
Right. Trying to get the other account. I should miss that. I was managing some of the other.
Going
ones
above
here.
this 89 on the small tick chart. That's comforting.
I'm trying to get my limit orders correct on this other one here. I was just doing the math on what gives me profits on this. Because I let one get on and it took off a target immediately. And then I should have added one here on that M&Q trade. I wanted to come back down a little bit and give me an ad there. Well, that's how you manage that ES one in the profit, huh?
If this thing fails here, I'm killing it. I'll just take the loss.
And we'll take another target. Take another target here. All right. Now we're going to get a little buy signal coming up here on the Q. I will buy above the little midpoint of that W with one contract. Bring my fill price to a reasonable one here. And then take my target there since I've DCA'd all the way into this one way down here. This is not a good spot there on the ES. I just got to get my fill price a little bit lower on the MEQ and I'll be good to go.
I can't go any lower. I got to get out. If this thing breaks 80, I got my stop at 80.
Okay.
That's as much as I can lose on this. I'd give half of my profit back on that account.
Okay.
See what happens. I'm hoping it'll turn right here, but it doesn't look very promising. It looks like, I think you're right, it's going to go lower. But
I mean, okay. Well, I mean,
all right, well, I'm out. Does it? Can't win them all.
no.
That's the thing about the NQ though. You got to be careful because it will add up on you quick.
You don't want to be getting into highs on the NQ. That's for sure.
Yeah. NQ,
tempted to
yes,
add
you
another
got more
time,
room to
so,
run, but
I want to get this little baby target off here so I can get down to 2 contracts on the MES. And again, I still like this. Like, I should probably give myself a little bit more room here because there's some price action below here. Yeah, yeah, that's where I should be at, really. Below this level, below that little level there. Right there. That way, if I'm completely wrong, still a small loss. All right,
Israeli Defense Minister Katz, Israel awaits the green light to resume the Iran war. Israel is poised to resume the war. That's what they want.
So I haven't hit 65 on the ES yet.
What do I want for lunch today? What's something good for lunch today? I want one of Brian's lunches.
What?
I want one of your lunches today.
It is Thursday.
What's
I
up?
should go get a burger.
Oh yeah, peanut butter burger.
It's not a peanut butter burger. It's just a burger.
Do they not make that anymore?
No, they do. It's just
Oh,
not in the sense that it doesn't like
it's delicious. I'd do
trucker
it.
burger. The trucker burger is what they're known for.
Oh, okay. What's a trucker burger? What does that have?
It's just a good old fashioned American cheeseburger.
Oh, Like a
12
cheeseburger.
ounces and 12 ounces of seasoned meat, cheese, bacon,
Nice.
lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise, onion. Just a big ass nice burger.
We do a burger for lunch. That sounds good.
Yeah, burger would be nice for lunch. All right, let's see here. Oh, I need to check some stuff here real quick. I think I've got. I got one eval that I need to be aggressive with. Let's see. What's today's date?
21st, 22nd, something like that.
23rd.
Is it the 23rd already? Hell yeah,
So I
23rd. Look at that.
I got, I got one renewing tomorrow. Oh, that's probably the one that comes out of freaking PayPal too. All right, let me get aggressive with that then. Let's see what number that is. Okay.
Is that one gonna?
We are
That bill
definitely
not gonna
aggressive
hit
with that one.
PayPal tomorrow on the 24th?
Yeah, I'm looking at. I think so. I'm gonna get real aggressive with it right now because I'm just gonna go try to pass it or fail it because I think that is the one that comes out of there.
Let me know, because if that's the case, I'll buy another one.
let me double check my email here.
I don't care either way. I could use another eval, so if that's the case, let it bill, and I'll just grab another one. Oh, speaking of that, I gotta check to see if that thing went through.
Oh, I looked last night. I didn't see it.
Yeah, I looked too last night. Nah, there's something wrong. It shouldn't take that long.
No.
Got to figure out. We got to reach out to them.
Most def. Oh shoot! Here it is. Oh, that was the 20. Oh shoot! I just missed one. This one may actually be the PayPal one then. So let me. I don't know how I'm up. 2, 4. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna get aggressive with it. Yeah, I'm just gonna get aggressive with it. Totes gonna get aggressive with it. Look at this ES1 playing out for me. Like a gem, baby. Like a gem. We don't need that target way up there anymore. We need another little target up here. Give it to me, baby.
Pretty fly for a white guy.
Well, the one I was on was the aggressive one. I can just get up to lots of contracts on that, I guess, then. I mean, I'm tempted to try to get another ES1 on here, to be honest with you. I'm in 2. Let's see, I'm in 2. Now I'm back down to where I'm like, where I can reset my thought process because I can DCA all the way back down to the pivot again, man.
Yeah.
I'm at 2. I could add here. All right. Let's see. Do all these guys. Add here. And then I'll add back down at another level I like. And I'm going to have a stop sitting down here. Something like that. Something like that. Something like that. Yeah, so I'm going to get a little aggressive with that one account then. Very smart. I guess that's the only thing to do. I mean, I do have a very good up bias here. I could do the same thing with that one account on the MNQ since I'm already layering into that one account.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll put one down. 07. Well, I had, where did I get one earlier? 8. There you go. 08. What?
It's 12 o'clock already. Jeez.
You got a problem with that?
No, I get some lunch at some point.
Oh my! I was hand delivered food today.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
Oh, it's not that nice. Service in this place sucks. I like this MES plan here I have. I mean, like, it's the beauty of dollar cost averaging. I mean, you get further enough down, it doesn't take a lot to get some small targets off.
No.
Are you doing the same thing with me on this MES?
I'm in the MES with you, yes.
Have you done the same thing? Did you add it at all the same levels?
Pretty close, yeah. I mean, my feels a little bit different, but yeah. I mean,
you took targets already, so you're back
we're
down.
I've taken targets, yeah, when it goes up. I got to try to make up for that loss on that NQ.
How many?
It's a $240 loss.
Are you saying with me 2 contracts deep?
I am 2 contracts deep, yes.
And you're took absolute profits.
My fill's a little higher than yours, but
I'm just saying you took profits on the other 2 on these push-ups, right?
Right. Yeah, I did pretty much the same thing you did.
Okay. Well, I mean, this is easy stuff then. That's why I'm down with doing this on the MES, man. You can't get burnt as much. Like
you can if it's all bias. I mean, you can. Let's be honest. You can. You could get burnt.
How often is the ES going to move more than 20 points without a wiggle?
Very, very, very rare. It's not the NQ. It doesn't do that. Yeah.
Very rare.
Yeah.
But even on this move down, like from 80, and Stretch finally got it right, 80 all the way down to 65. 4 contracts down that far. I mean, you're in profits right here. Doesn't take that much. That's why I'm completely comfortable with this freaking plan right here. I'll get 4 contracts deep again, and guess what? Take the profits. I mean, I could be real aggressive with this and be like, okay, well, I'm gonna move this down here, but I don't think it's going to do that. We got plenty of room back here for it to wiggle around. I mean, shit, what did it do all day yesterday here? And what did it do all morning here? There's just,
you could settle into just a chop fest right here.
And I'm fine with that too.
Yeah.
Because then
maybe
I'll
sit here
add at the
through
bottom
lunch.
of it. Yeah, I'll add at the bottom and take a target out. Take a baby one, take a baby target. Baby one, baby target. Baby
Yeah.
one, baby target. I mean, preferably now I'd go a little bit lower. Check this double bottom on the on the NQ here. It's not quite at an area where I'd expect it to come. Well, I guess it is. Wait, what was it down? Like $110, $150?
On what, the NQ?
Yeah.
No, I lost 230 on that.
Okay. Guess this. We'll get you one.
Oh yeah, I'll get it back.
I mean, 2 contracts.
Well, okay, but in like I said, in full honesty, on another account I went short, so I padded the loss a little bit.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, it's an easy way to do it.
But in that account specifically, it went down 230.
Well, I mean, what I've been doing when I get some of these losers like this, especially on the MK, which is why I've been holding off on buying, doing anything at extremes on the NQ, because I just, you're going to get that pullback at some point on the NQ that's going to be better entry. Like, had we started entering down here
Yeah.
into this, we would have already taken some profit on this. But again, the thought process was, well, we broke all these highs. There's no reason it shouldn't continue higher.
And I probably should just went in with one contract instead of two. I think what I'm going to do is when I'm uncertain like that, I'll just take one and two. Because look at this pullback now.
I know.
Woo.
Yeah. So I could be really conservative with this, like I said earlier, and take both of these down here at the pivot. Bring my fill price down to like a half of where I'm at right now. If I want to be really conservative with it.
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to be that conservative. I think I like what I was doing. The chance the NQ bounces here.
I'm looking. I like this area here. I'd like it just a tad bit lower, but I do like this. I like this area. But get a setup. I'm game with taking along here.
Looks like he's trying to set up, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I wish I'd gotten that one order off now.
There it
See,
goes.
that well-planned order placement. Dang, you can go without me. Let's see, did we get a setup? This might be one setting up here on the M&Q. I mean, this is close to an area where this is one of those minor levels, but it's a level.
Yeah.
Obviously, we'd like it down here somewhere.
Uh,
That looks like that should be a buy there. That looks like. Ah, missed it. Almost got my buy stop in. And I did call that short for everybody to see. I literally called that short for everybody to see.
Yeah.
Did not take it because I was committed to the longs at that point, but usually, all right. So here's the case too. Usually, let's like look back here. Like usually, it doesn't matter the scenario. You usually break out past all-time highs. Okay. Typically, you get to push up, you get a pull back, and then you get a pull back, a push up, a pull back to retest these levels, right? But usually, once it breaks those levels into all-time highs, you get something like a chop, and then a wave up, and then push back down to retest level and a chop and a wave up. Usually, this doesn't come back this far. Usually,
Yeah, you generally don't short all-time highs. Just
that's
rule
not
of thumb,
the thought
right?
process. No.
Yeah, rule of thumb, you don't look for shorts at all-time highs.
No. It finally came back and got my little contract there. So now I can put another little baby target up here. Am I 3D? Yeah. Wait, hold on a second.
You're too deep.
Where'd my contract go?
What happened? Did you?
Oh, shoot. It was.
Did it get your
It
stop?
already took the target. No.
Oh, it took target?
It got me in and went up and took a 5 because I have a 5-tick target on it. Dang it. Silly Brian. That's not good. That didn't take the right target. That doesn't help me financially at all. Dang. I should just add one here then, shouldn't I?
Well, you're right about where you got in anyway, so.
I don't want that stop. Turn off that. No. Chart trader. Take this down to one contract. Put a target. All right. Ooh. Now we can actually make money on the trade. Jiminy Christmas. I'm gonna take this long on the M and Q as well.
I'm already long on the M&Q.
I'm gonna take it when it breaks above here.
Might have to go get some lunch here in a little bit. I'm getting hungry. You around this afternoon, or you got things to do?
No, I'll be around.
Okay.
Take a break anytime you want. I'm just gonna be sitting here grinding away, trying to make some money. Grinding away. I'm gonna kill the stream
Okay.
though. They got plenty of content. I forgot.
Oh yeah, you can kill YouTube for
I
sure.
forgot about that. I totally forgot about it.